Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to watch every movie on Netflix, so let's start. Now, if you want to watch all the movies on Netflix, you have to select one of the biggest libraries on Netflix. One is Slovakia. It has more than 8,000 titles. Also Bulgaria with more than 7,000 titles, and Iceland with more than 700,000 titles. So you can select one of these countries, but how you can do it? Because as you can see, this is my Netflix for my country. But how we can connect to another country? Well, you need a VPN. What is a VPN? A VPN will help you to get an IP from another country and connect there. So how can you do it? Well, I recommend you to use NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the biggest VPNs service online security. And if you use NordVPN, you can unlock show from anywhere, you can watch show from anywhere, play games anywhere safely. And with our partner link in the description below, you will get a special discount. And the link is always down there, so check it out. Also, guys, plus this, you get a 30-day money back guarantee. What means is that if you don't like the service from NordVPN that we offer you, and also that you don't like how it works, we return to you the money. So that's amazing for you, the warranty. Now, in the principal page, you can check all the features from VPN. If you want to check them, you can do it. After you register with our link in the description below, you have to log in. When you log in, you have to write your email address as well as your password there, and then log in here. You will go to the principal page, and then let's go to the left side. You will find here a menu. Just click here on our VPN, and when you do it, just scroll down and let's go to manual setup. Here on manual setup, you will find a country. In my case, this is my country. Right now I'm here. If I want to change for one of the I told you for Netflix, that is Iceland, Bulgaria, Slovakia, you can do it. So just click here on the VPN country, and then you have to looking for the country that you prefer. In this case, let's check Bulgaria, that I told you it has more than 7,000 titles. So just click here and you will find a vast of VPN for connected to Bulgaria. Don't forget to click here on get setup configuration, and that's it, guys. You will connect there. After, you have to log in the Netflix account, and now you can use the VPN from Bulgaria. So that's how it works, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.